Hey guys, Richard here from Cars and Security, and what we got today here is the Bentley Bentayga 2020 plate. Customer brought this car to us because of the current security situation with car theft. Obviously these cars can easily be stolen within 60 seconds because of the keyless key features these come with. And what we've installed to protect this vehicle from being stolen is what's called the StarLine M66 smart security system. So the way this system works is basically immobilizes the vehicle, so there's no the vehicle cannot be started, and without a special tag, which is this tag here, I'm gonna disable at the moment. So I'm going to show you the way to steal your vehicle. So what they do is they copy your key frequency and they unlock your vehicle. So as you can see, the vehicle is now unlocked. So this just simulate the way to use to steal your car. So the vehicle is unlocked now. So when they get in the vehicle, so as you can see, the car will not start. So I'm pressing the start button, the car will not start. And also what's going to happen is you're going to get a phone call come through. So yes, the system is connected to your phone using a special app. So if I just answer that now.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So you heard that? It's saying the ignition has been turned on. So by someone without this special tag, they will not be able to start this car. So the tag is disabled at the moment. So
ignition is on.
Yeah, so it lets you know someone's trying to turn on the car. So if I just unlock the phone, as you can see, that's the app you get. You get full tracking as well, so tracking built in. And yeah, it shows you the state of the vehicle, which is showing it's red, meaning that someone's opened the car unauthorized. So I'm going to show you now how you disable the system before you get in the car. So now I got the tag and the key with me. So basically you need these two to get in the car, so which is the tag here, the StarLine tag. Without this tag you cannot start the car, and it will set the system off and give you a call. So now that I got the tag with me, the system's going to be disabled now and the car will now start. So I'm just going to turn the car on now. As you can see, the car now starts. So yeah, you basically need this tag with you. Without this tag, the car will not start.